I'm Tuck.
And I'm Lenny Ben.
Join us as we turn our Catalina 30 into our new dream home.
And set sail on the adventure of a lifetime.
Alright guys, coffee time back at the boat. Last week's video we were at anchor and you seen me install the anchor and the chain. Well, I got to thinking about something, pulling that damn anchor, that chain. I can do it. It's not fun. But what would happen in an emergency or something like that, or maybe I couldn't do it? There's no way Lenny Ben could. So in this video, guess what? I bought a damn windlass. Not dealing with that pulling that anchor deal. Just it wasn't fun, and there's no way that Lenny Ben could do that. So yeah, that's what we're into this week. Let's unbox this thing and see what we got. I will say that very well packed. I'm extremely impressed with this company. I ordered this Tuesday, got it yesterday, which was Friday of the same week, and guys, this come from Italy. I watched them ship it through DHL. Now everybody knows I'm a UPS driver, but I'm impressed with DHL. I don't even know that we could have got it that quick. So there's all the pieces. Looks like it's got a controller. There's the motor. There's the head. The switch. So yep, let's get started. I have the dinghy up front, so I gotta move that thing and get ready to see how we're gonna put this in. Let's go see what we're dealing with. Got this dinghy out of the way. So it looks like I'm gonna mount it right here. Because my anchor's so big, I may have to adjust it where it doesn't hit the windlass all the time, but I really don't want to do a lot of adding and stuff, wood and all that to the front of it in there. I want more space for the motor and all of that, and I don't want to cut that hatch if I can get out of it. They were nice enough to give me a template, poke the holes in it, that way there's no guesswork. That's pretty cool. All right, so you can see that this is offset. Got my hose marked right here. I gotta have a 1-inch hole here and basically a 3/8 hole on these ones. Show you how this thing's gonna set.
What you doing, Tuck?
Drilling holes for a wire for the windlass. The windlass motor is in this anchor locker, so I'm gonna bring the wires here and then bring them down and then go back through here and then all the way back to the 12-volt batteries. You know, more boat yoga.
You just like playing in little dark places.
Well, I like making messes.
Yes, you do. I didn't realize all the boat projects was going to mean drilling so many holes in my boat. Well, you know, it happens. I could have done it a different way, but this will work. There he is doing some major boat yoga there. Baby, how you get in that position? Jesus. Fuck. Did you like that position? Yeah. You know, most people climb in feet first and crawl in there. Well, I went in head first. I gotta drill a hole through there to get the wires down so I can run it back. So I'm gonna run the wires from here, and I'm just gonna follow here and go through those and then go down and back to the batteries. Just make it simple, and then I'll take some sealant 5200 or something and yeah. Make all the holes not leak? Yeah, make them not leak. Probably be a good idea. But I want to be careful where I'm drilling the holes, because that's the front of the damn boat and we don't need a hole going outside the boat. Yeah. Don't you sink my boat. Pretty much. We ain't sinking the boat. Start drilling holes in the wrong place, you will. Alright, let's see if we can crawl in here and grab whatever this thing is. And pull it. I'm back here at the...
Alright. I'm gonna give you a little more.
Alright. You having fun?
Yeah, I have to do this again. At least I got palm trees.
I know, I gotta finish taking those down.
Pulled all the way.
The real life of a boat owner. It's not always rainbows and unicorns, is it?
Well, this is easier than pulling that damn anchor chain.
Yeah, there's no way I could have did that.
No. You want to pull on it?
Always. You know, I spent an hour and a half cleaning and organizing this for you to go through and destroy it in 10 minutes.
Well.
Cleaning and organizing this for you to go through and destroy it in 10 minutes.
Well. We got to do something. We got to run these wires through here. We've got to have access to it.
You destroyed the whole boat.
But if I didn't make a mess, you would have nothing to bitch about, and then
yeah.
you would not be happy.
Yeah, you always give me something to bitch about.
Well, I got it almost to the batteries.
Yeah, you keep drilling more holes. Mister, I don't have to drill no more.
Well, it happens. I've got to do this again.
At least you're not upside down again.
I've got to do that again too. But that'd be fun.
I should have recorded your ass stuck in that hole trying to get out. That would have been funny.
Probably.
Do you have any idea what you're doing?
Nope, we just winging it.
Well, on the bright side, you can't empty any more compartments or nothing because there's no place to put nothing. What the fuck are you doing?
I gotta undo this one.
Oh my fucking god.
Gotta get to the 12-volt batteries and all this shit's in the way.
You do realize we have company coming and this all has to be put back together before they get here.
Well, they can help clean up, I guess. I'm almost done. I'm making a mess. I think.
No, here's the problem. Don't tell me you gotta delete, you gotta empty out that berth.
Oh no, we ain't gotta do that. That's just right here. Yeah. We have to run that. We have to run the main wires to the switch. So, yeah, we're gonna have to empty that one too.
You're
but not right now.
My boat back together before you go emptying that one. There's so much crap back in that hole.
All right. Now,
to give you some perspective on the mess he's made. Everything is piled here, in here, and in there, and out there. Literally no place to go.
just so we can run some wires.
Let's play peekaboo and see what Tuck's doing. Oh, look at he's up there. I don't know. What are you doing? Oh, you look like a giant.
Well, I'm wiring it up, and then we gotta feed another wire.
Oh, so you're doing boat yoga again?
Yeah.
You get your ass stuck in the hole again, I'm putting it on film.
Sweet.
And you will put it in the video. You know, I don't think this one's wanting to run as easy as your last one. Did you break it? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
You got your fingers in the hole, can you feel it?
I can feel it.
You want some forceps?
No, I want fish tape, but I left it at home.
That's a fantastic place for it.
It's alright, I got a plan.
Is it gonna work? What is said plan this time? Show
Because
us
if
how.
it works, then I'll tell you about it. If it don't, I ain't telling you.
Well, aren't you so proud you bought a Windlass? Well, you must be enjoying yourself.
See?
You're not.
It did work.
Aw, aren't you so proud of yourself?
I am proud.
You should have thought of that like 25 minutes ago.
I
Don't you fuck with me.
What are you doing, Lenny Ben?
Don't you fuck with me. Cleaning up your mess.
Oh, alrighty then.
Again.
Is it gonna be worth it?
I don't know.
We'll see. Alright, Lenny Ben, I need you to come up here. Finally got it all installed, all the wires run, and we've got pretty much the cabin all cleaned up, a little bit of mess, but cockpit is still a big mess, so there you go with that. But mounted the switch right there. The reason I done that is so that I can drive and also be able to work the windlass. I'm used to that. That's how a lot of the motorboats do, and I'm just gonna roll with that. I thought about putting it on the hem, but I'll be honest with you, I was lazy. I did not want to tear it apart and feed the wires, so that's the reason for where the switch is at.
Well, I came outside to find the anchor and chain on the dock, and Tuck looking like he's gonna do some boat yoga with a vacuum. What you got going on?
Well, it's not draining, and it's all nasty, and we can't have that. That's got to drain, because when the waves come over, this gets wet, and yeah. So now it's a new project. It's always something.
Always something. Did you get all the water out the hole?
Yeah, and there's something in here I don't like. Let me see this. I may have to put a piece of wood in here or something. Why they come up with this, guys, I don't know. You see that hole? That hole, it was stopped up, but that goes right out to the bow of the boat. Leave me in the comments if you know why there's a dam there for water. Why wasn't it just down here? Is that made for something? Because I'm thinking of maybe putting a piece of wood in there and raising the floor up to make the water drain all the way out. Don't know that it really matters, but I don't know. It looks like I would have made the hole a little bit lower. So the guys that are smarter than me, let me know. Would it be okay to raise the floor a little bit so the water goes out, or just to leave it like it is? All right, guys, so got all the wires run for the motor on the windlass. Got it down there. So what I'm doing now, before I install the windlass, I want this plate. That's an aluminum plate there that I'm cutting out, and I'm putting it down on the top here. That way, when the chain is running, it's not rubbing against the fiberglass, and it's just an extra layer of protection. And so that's what we're doing with that. And then we'll mark out all the holes, and then mount the head to all of this, and then clock the chain and get her done, and see if it works, and see if it pulls the windlass. I had done the wiring first and to the motor, and just to make sure that the thing worked. All right, so got this plate all made, which was definitely a pain in the ass, but it needed it. That way when the chain runs across there, it's got something to protect it, and it's just not flopping all over the fiberglass. And now to bolt it up and feed the chain and just see where we're at, and just get all this all cleaned up and make sure it works right. All right, got it all bolted in. I'm gonna put some bolts here and here and here and here on this plate. Now it's just time to run the chain through it, see if it pulls that anchor up, and see how it holds. Now I've got to do something with the wires, get them all out of the way of the chain, get this all cleaned up and see how it works. Got the chain fed, got the wires all tucked up, get it all put away and hook it to the anchor and see if it'll pull it. think I'm gonna be pretty happy with this. A lot better than pulling this this anchor up. I'm gonna make a piece that goes here. This was for the old rope and it went down through there. I'll make a piece at the house and bring it back. I just don't have the stuff to do it right now here, but this needs beefed up. And so there's a plate down here, kind of hard to see, and then I'm going to put some bolts here and just tighten it up and make sure that it's strong enough to pull that anchor. All right, let's go see how this works, see if it does it. Alright guys, I like that. It worked out perfect. I can put my pin right here and then put my chain right there and it's not going to go anywhere. I'd say it's a success. I'm liking it. That's going to be a lot better than tuck pulling that damn anchor. But you know what guys, thanks for coming along and watching all this stuff with us. This weekend's been a success for me, and I'm just glad that I got something that Lenny Bean can work if I can't be there to help her or whatever. All right guys, so this week we made stuff easier for Lenny Bean. We made it where she can pull an anchor.
Nice.
And it's gonna help save my old ass back. I lift heavy stuff every day, and so why should I do it when I quit? Yeah, it works. You see that it pulls it and lowers it, and that's what we wanted.
Yeah.
But had a good weekend on the boat, and not much sailing, just some more boat projects. Yeah, guys, if you stuck around this long, you know the drill. Hit that subscribe button, the like button, hop over on Patreon, because there's things over there that happens that doesn't happen on YouTube. Remember, Instagram, Facebook too. It's all the same. Tuck and Lenny Bean Sailing. If you look us up over there, you can follow different things there too. What do you think, babe?
It's been a long weekend.
It has been a long weekend. And a little bittersweet for us, and that'll be coming up in a future video. But guys, we enjoy each and every one of your comments, interacting with you guys. But you know guys, until next time, fair winds.
Safe travels.
And join us for the next shit show.